Hi, everybody. This is Miss Traub from Willow Oaks. I'm just going to show everybody how you can connect your mystery science to your Seesaw classroom. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up Mystery Science by clicking on the Mystery Science icon on ARNet. And then I teach second grade, so that's just what I'm going to use. We're going to be going to our matter unit, our physical science unit, so I'm going to go to Material Magic down here. So from here, I want to just assign, I think I'm going to assign like one lesson a week for students to do during independent work, but that's obviously up to you, however you want to roll this out, but it is a pretty easy platform to assign as independent work for your students. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Materials, Properties, and Engineering as lesson 1. And from there, if I scroll down, there's a bunch of extensions. So it's really easy to add to your Google Classroom, but there will be another video for that. So for this, I'm actually going to scroll all the way down to these extensions and go to Student Link down here. So I'm going to click on Student Link, and up pops this. So I'll go ahead and just copy this link to save for later. So I did Control C to copy the link. I'm going to close out of that now because I have it. So then I'm going to go to my Seesaw. I already have my tab open. So if you don't have a Seesaw classroom yet, then that will also need to be something else that you figure out. But if you have a Seesaw already, then all you have to do is go to this add plus sign, this green plus sign, to add, and you can say assign activity. From here, I'm going to create a new activity. I'm going to title it Mystery Science, Why Do We Wear Clothes? Because that's what this lesson is called. Then I can type in instructions. Step 1, watch the Mystery Science video. Step 2, if you have the materials, complete the activity. And then Seesaw has an awesome feature where you can actually record these instructions with your voice. Of course, you can add whatever instructions you want. I just kind of quickly jotted those down. I'll probably go back in and maybe add some more. And then what you're going to want to do is add multimedia instructions or example. So then you get these options, and I'm going to add a link because that's what I have. I have the student link. So from here, I'll go Control V to paste that link that I had earlier, and I'm going to press this green check mark. That green check mark was up in the corner. You can see it here. Okay, so from here, again, you can record instructions, or you can just press this green check mark again. Let's go ahead and submit that. Perfect. So if you want to add another template for student responses, that's something that you could do. Like you could have them upload a photo of their finished product once they complete the activity. You could have them record videos of them making the activity. You could have them do a drawing or write notes, really whatever you want. And that's pretty simple to do. But for now, I just have my link embedded and I have the title and some very simple instructions. So you can press save. That was down at the bottom right corner. And now I have my assignment. So now I can go in and press assign to assign it to my whole class or specific students. So right now all of my students are selected, which is great. That's what I want. I want all of them to complete this activity. So I'll press the green check mark. And then press the green at the bottom. You can see it very at the bottom. It says assign to one class. I'll click that as well. All right, so now if I go back to Traub 1920, that's my Seesaw classroom. That activity is here for my students to complete. And it will show up in their activities when they log on to theirs as well. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys for learning how to post something on your Seesaw classroom, for learning how to post a mystery science lesson on Seesaw. Thanks, bye.